On the keyboard, a half step is the distance from a key to its closest neighbor. In written music, a chromatic half step uses notes with the same letter name. A diatonic half step uses notes with different names. In case you forget which is which, just remember that diatonic and different both begin with the letter D. To write a chromatic half step above a note, begin by drawing a note on the same line or space. Then add any necessary accidentals to make it a half step higher than the given note. In this case, we'll need to add a natural. We'll use the same method to write a chromatic half step below a note. Begin by drawing a note on the same line or space, and then add any necessary accidentals to make it a half step lower than the given note. Here, we'll need to add a flat. To write a diatonic half step above a note, we'll need to draw a note on the closest line or space above it. The next step is to add necessary accidentals to make it a half step higher. But here we don't need anything because B to C is already a half step. And now to write a diatonic half step below a note, draw a note on the closest line or space below it. Then add any necessary accidentals to make it a half step lower than the given note. This time we'll need to add a sharp.